Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got the Matchbox working RIGS diecast with us. So these are trucks, which are obviously work trucks. So they have different parts, different design, and some of them also have moving parts. This one is a GMC 3500, and it looks like it's the truck which is used in construction, especially road construction stuff, with cross signs on top. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. So here is the truck out of its packaging, and I do like, when I see it from the side, from the driver's side, I do like the details on it. One thing to notice, the cab is metal and the entire bed parts are plastic. So are these boxes on the side, but the mud flaps are metal. So you've got nice details on the side. You've got the mud flap, you've got the rims which mimic the actual truck, toolboxes, step here, you've got the highway service written on the side. See, the speed limit is 58. You got the mirror on the side, turn indicator. I might be wrong, that doesn't look like a turn indicator, might be something else. So yeah, good details on the side. You got detailed door handle, looks good. Coming to the front, again, you can see the headlamp, the grille, the GMC logo, but they are not detailed. You can also see it's a two-seater, and then it has got marking lamps on the top, which you need for the trucks. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Can't see any major differences here. Yeah, it's good. Even on the step there are designs there, or the pattern there, which mimics like the metal step. Now the bed, let's come to the back. So you got lane closed ahead, you got this lights which shows you which side you have to change the lane. You can see the mud flap from the back too. Tail lamps are present on the side, but they are not detailed. And this one moves down, so it's a moving part. It goes flat like this, and maybe then you can load stuff into it. Now if this rotates, I don't know why it would rotate that way. And this look like side mounted exhaust on both the sides. Yeah, so nice details on the truck, I would say. It doesn't have as many moving parts as the last working rig I reviewed, but yeah, still it's got like nice details on it. Yeah, so if you're interested in trucks, you might wanna add this to your collection. Looks good, and I'm not sure it's 1:64 because it looks smaller than that, but yeah, looks good, doesn't look bad. Well, those are my thoughts on this truck. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching.